Okay, so one of the things I'd like to talk about is mailing your invitations. So this invitation that comes with a belly band and a few pieces of paper and twine is pretty thick. So it's gonna cost you a little bit extra to mail it. My suggestion is always to take one sample invitation of a finished product to the post office and have them weigh it for you, and have them also try to run it through their machine. They have a little card that measures the thickness to see if it'll fit through the machine. That way, you don't spend all this time assembling invitations and then send them out to mail only to get them returned because there's not enough postage on them. So always weigh your invitations and take them to the post office to test them before you send them. So the next thing that has to do with mailing is stamps. I love stamps. So this is just a sampling of some of the stamps that I've picked up for some of my invitations, depending on what color schemes we've got going on. Stamps are, you're able to go to the post office and buy stamps in packages like this, or you can even go online to a company like Zazzle or something like that and buy custom color stamps. You can add photos to stamps. You can customize stamps as much as you want to. I've had some invitations where the girls wanted to buy vintage stamps and do like a really cool checkerboard design in the top corner of the invitations. You know, it adds this artistic feel to an already artistic handmade looking invitation. So I always suggest my clients to figure out something with the stamps that either matches the color or the theme of their invitation, so that it's just an extra special touch when someone gets that invite and it's really, you know, thought all the way through. So this kind of an invitation is a little bit thicker. When it comes with a couple pieces of paper and the twine wrap around it, it's not the same postage as like a 47 or 49 cent stamp, whatever the normal postage rate is right now. So you're gonna wanna take one copy of your finished invitation to the post office and have them weigh it. Once they weigh it, and they also run it through their little sizer machine, they know how much additional it's gonna cost to mail the invitations. Typically an invitation like this with twine wrap, a belly band, and a few pages and a backer is gonna be about 93 cents a piece to mail.